Oh, he got off. No, he's on there. You see that bait moving over there in the middle?
Over here?
Should have just gripped him.
Throw a wake on?
No, I think your lure will catch them. It's just I probably got lucky. Shit. Freaking kayak fishing, I love it. All the struggles, that's alright. It's just part of it. You're using that burner shad?
I'm putting on a like new penny.
Nice fish. Start off the morning. He just got one. 26 and a half? Dang. Oh yeah. Dang, that's a nice fish, man. Got that pro angler, man. You can step on the front corner if you wanted to.
That's right. It's gonna start getting tight in here.
You caught him on the burner shad or?
Swimming mullet.
Swimming mullet, the gulp.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. With a jig head?
Yeah, a 16th.
A 16th? Yeah. The lighter you go, man, sometimes that's what they want.
Especially when it's real shallow like this. You can't cast super far, but...
Oh, there he went. He bumped it good. Dang. Drag pulling flounder. Oh, man, that's a freaking nice one. It was right in front of me too. You got one? There you go. Almost, well, basically doubled up. Yeah, man. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, flip him in there. Man, this is a good one. Yeah, be still. Let go of my lure.